Okay, hello friends, welcome to Unique Learning for All. Myself Mahalakshmi, and today we are going to see how to conduct quiz through PPT and type the result during the presentations. So in that, I'm going to explain the PPT that I have prepared and how we can do it further. It will be explained in this video. So jumbled words are prepared as a quiz. And second slide, if you go to the dashboard and click this button, the first question will come IMFOCTORS. So it's a quiz, and if the students answer the correct answer or the wrong answer, we can just show the result and enter the score for the team. For that, go to score button. That will display another window. One for team A, if they answer correctly, give 5 marks. Go to dashboard, moving on to the team B and second question. CTRUIC, answer is circuit. Moving on to the scoreboard. If the team B answered wrongly, you can give -5. Dashboard and the questions to team A. Click the third button. FTASRWEO, and the correct answer is software. And you can engage with the students. Moving on to the score, if the students answer correctly, you can give +5, so 10 marks. Moving on to the dashboard, fourth question, EBTO, and the student of the team B answered it correctly as vote. Then go to scoreboard. Okay, you can enter the result, and you can enter and you can announce the result as who is the winner. So hope you are satisfied with this quiz. So I'll demonstrate how we can do this. Move on to the new slide. So you have to give it jumbled words. So I'm selecting it. You can select any font type, and I'm giving a color for that. And right click. You have to format the test effect. So go to animation pane. Just select appear in the animation, and in animation pane, so click animation pane button. Give an answer. Effect. If you want, you can add sound. I want the letter by letter with a delay of 5 seconds. If you want, you can add theme also. I'm having a lot of theme here. jumble words theme. Have to do that. It can be quiz also with your related subjects. If you want to add new slide, just right click, new slide. I'm selecting this layout. I don't want this layout. So dash position. Click insert text box. I can just drag it. Or if you don't want text box, you can use this. You can insert shapes. I think this color would be for me. Dashboard. Type dashboard. If you want, you can change the font size also. To select the font. Okay, now same. Insert shape for buttons. So I'm going to give just only 2 questions. The same color, no need. It's quite impressive if you give yellow color. Shape fill, yellow. I don't want the outline. Then give 1 for first question. Increase the font size. And shape effects. Same way, you can just copy and then paste. Into. Here you can change the shape fill color. Right. So same way, I can just copy and paste for third question. So 3 questions, you have to create 3 different slides. So right click, new slide for first question, new slide for second question, right click, new slide for Third question. Moving on to the first slide. Write the layout text box and you can just select it and delete. If you want, you can insert numbers as a picture, insert online, just type 1 and enter. The numbers will be displayed. Just delete the text. So while loading, you can give an animation effect, select animation and swiggle. Select it while start with previous. Okay. And the question for this, you can insert a text box. Okay. And you can type questions, whatever the question you want, you can type. Whatever the question you want, you can type. And click the text box that is for scoreboard. You have to create another shape, rectangle, type score. This is not only for jumbled words. You can just create a text box and type questions, and after that you can create another text box for answer. So insert text box for the answer. If you want, you can increase the size of the text. Okay, and just select it and select the format printer. And click on answer, so it will say import body 15, or you can just double click and increase the size of the answer. Moving on to the animation, so just select the question and click the animation appear. Okay, so here the text boxes will appear here, and after the question ends, answer should come. So for answer also, just click appear, and for this text box too will be here. And moving on to the question text box, just right click and here effect option, just give hide on next mouse click to display the answer, then click OK, and you can drag this answer to question. If you see the preview, you can understand. It's a question, and if the answer is mentioned, just on click, the answer will come. That's it. So, and if you click the score should go to the another slide that displays the result. For that, you should add another new slide for score. Then you have to link that slide to the score slide, that is sixth slide. Delete the layer and you can insert shape or scoreboard. Enter text scoreboard for team A. Just go to insert and click the text box and type team A in caps. You also copy and paste. And type B. In order to select text box, here I have used the developer tab. So most developer tab menu will not be enabled in PowerPoint. So for that you should give right click, customize ribbon. You have to select the customize ribbon and the pop-up menu will appear and you have to enable this developer. So I have already enabled here. You have to enable and click OK. So then here this developer menu will appear on the PowerPoint screen, PowerPoint application. There select a text box. This is the text box and click drag here. So this text box is used to type during the slideshow presentation. Again another text box. Okay, so if you want you can also change the properties. So select the text box and type the properties. And you can change the font size also, black, and I am giving the size 28. Same way, properties. Okay. And close it and create another text box for going to the dashboard questions. Moving on to that question. So insert shapes. You can click for dashboard. Type dashboard. If you want, you can change the color of the font. Okay, shape effects also you can change. On clicking that, and the control should go to the dashboard, that is in second slide. So click, select the shape and click insert menu, that action. You have to link the slide, go to hyperlink, select slide. So this is the second slide, select second slide. This is the dashboard, and okay. Okay. Same way you have to connect the scoreboard here. So again you have to insert text box, not text box, shapes. I know it will be a little boring when same concept is again and again repeated, but it is easy once you are have interest in PowerPoint. So if you want, you can change the color also. And here score. So if you click this button, automatically that control should go to the scoreboard. So for that, just select the control and go to insert action and create a link on mouse click, hyperlink, go to slide and select slide number 6. Okay, and same way question 2 and question 3 can be prepared. So if you want, you can duplicate the slide and you can connect it also for question 2 and question 3, or you can do the same. Go to select edit, or I'm going to prepare the second question. We can insert picture for getting the number 2. I'm getting the 2 value from the online picture. Enter. To insert, minimize that. Insert the text box that comes along with that. Control Z, just align it, and this text box. So I'm selecting the text boxes. Okay, I once again go to insert picture, online picture, and type 2 again. Press enter. So I'm selecting this 2 again. And click animation for that. Select animation and select appear, so that it will be displayed in the animation pane. So if you didn't get animation in pane, just select the above animation pane. This window will be added. So click on that, start with previous. Okay. And the same way you can insert questions also, like insert text box. So question number 2, you can insert questions, and same way answer. 6. You select picture. Okay, that is what is enough. So just select the question, and again you can copy and again paste and click any question. It may be any question and answer. Okay, so select the question and click animation appear, so that only it will be appear in the animation paint text box. I click on that effect option and hide on next mouse click, then OK, so that this answer will be displayed here. So again this answer is, select this particular answer and click appear, so it will appear in the text 11 will be appear in the animation pane, and click with start with previous, so you can if you want you can view that. This is the current view now. So what effect option, hide on the next mouse place all at once. You can select on mouse click for answer, then you can drag it here. Now you can preview question. When the answer is there, the answer will be displayed after the question in the same place. Okay. Then for inserting a score, insert shape. So any shape you can have inserted this one. So shape, score, type score. And again go to insert menu and I can link the slide for score. Scoreboard is 6, so select 6 and click OK. And if you want you can add sound also for that action. Okay, same way for 3, select, so insert, once again insert online picture, type 3. So I'm inserting this 3 picture again. Let's minimize it. Again insert text box and enter some questions. Okay, so increase the font size, that what you want. Then again insert another text box or just copy and paste and type answer, and select animation and appear. So this text box will appear in animation pane, and in that just select effect option and click hide after, hide on next mouse click, then OK. Then select answer text box and appear. So that will appear animation, that will appear in animation pane, and just select start on click, which is default, and then you can drag this text box and pick the answer. If you want, you can preview answer. So again, score text box is inserted by inserting a shape and type score and select the control and insert action and connect that control to the scoreboard. This from sixth slide, select slide sixth, okay. And if you want to play a sound, you can insert a play sound, like click question, okay. So now it's ready, but you have to save the file as not PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint macro enabled presentation. Save, since you have inserted the developer tool of Xbox there. Now you can try and see example words. For that you can I can even add sounds. Okay, enter. Question. So you come and go to score. This is the current. Now I have to connect all the score button to the scoreboard. Question, score, action. Select the control and click hyperlink. Select. So slide 6 is scoreboard. Okay, and again for the question 2, action, select slide to slide 6. Okay, and if you want, you can play sound also. I can add some play sound, or if you don't want, you can no need. Again, select action. So it is already selected. Then OK. Save. Now we'll see. So not only jumble words, the topic that you want to display differently, you can use that one also. And moving on to clicking on clicking one, the slide will be enabled. First question, on clicking on score, if the answer is correct, you can put marks, then move to dashboard. So dashboard will go to the questions quiz and click on to 2. So here the 2 is not connected. It is connected with the first one as I copied and pasted that. So click 2 and action and connect all the slides that is related to 2. Cancel. Put a slide. And second slide question is slide number 4. Connect it. Okay. And third slide, check whether third slide also connected. So third slide is question is slide 5. Okay. Okay, we have saved now. Now jumbled words. Move on to say first question again. Question will come, then answer will display. The score that I entered that was previously shown. I'm moving on to dashboard for team B. 2. So question will come, answer, then click score button. If the answer is correct, you can give the correct, you can type B, dashboard, again 3. So question, then answer, scoreboard, you can enter whatever the mark. If you can also enter negative mark if the answer is wrong. So that's it. Hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Thank you.